9, 19, 23. And I'm going to clearly teach you how to simplify fractions, although some of you are masters at it. Simplifying fractions. God, I feel like my writing's getting worse and worse. Anyways. Simplifying good old fractions. So, if I have the fraction 3 over 9, what can I divide both the top and the bottom by? That's simplified. 3. So you're going to tell me and show me that you're going to divide by 3. You're going to divide by 3. What's 3 divided by 3?
1.
And 9 divided by 3? 3. So this would be the answer, like if you're taking a test, or you're doing a do now, this would be the answer that would give you credit, and this would be marked wrong because it's not simplified. But the directions need to say that. Simplify your answer. If the directions say simplify your answer, this is what we're looking for. This will be considered wrong because the direction.
It says simplify fractions, right?
Simplify 20 over 35. What do I divide by?
5.
Now let's say I'm like, how are these kids knowing it's 5? We know our multiplication table. So the more you know your multiplication table, the easier it is to simplify. So basically, if you don't know, now you know. You're going to find 20 and 35 on one line. So if I go to the 2's, I'll see the 20, but will I see the 35? No, I will never see the 35 on the 2. So, a 2, it does not work. If I go to the 3, will I see 20? No, which means I can't use the 3. If I go to the 4, do I see a 20? Yes. Will I see the 35? No, so I can't use the 4. If I go to the 5, oh, there's 20. Will I see the 35? Yes. So you see how 20 and 35 are there? So that means what number can I use? I can use the 5. That's how you figure out what number you use. Now, of course, some of you can look at these two numbers and know immediately. Others of you, you can use your multiplication table to help you. What's 20 divided by 5? 4. And 35 divided by 5? 7. So that would be our final answer that the do now, for example, would want you to use. So this is called simplifying, which you've done since I don't know what grade. Do we know the tricks about the tens?
Yeah. Oh, it's just because it adds here at the end, and then like if you just get rid of it, it shows what it is.
Yep. So here's if they both end in 0. This only works if they both end in 0. Not if like this one ended. This one ended in 0, but this one did not. So this trick doesn't work. But if they both end in 0, what you're really doing is you're dividing by 10, and you're just really crossing out the zeros. So this is the trick about the zeros. You're dividing by 10, which just means cross out those zeros. You're left with 11 over 23. 11 over 23. Any questions on simplifying? Are we okay with simplifying? Use your multiplication table. It's your friend. All right. That's it. Where is the worksheet from yesterday?
In my binder.
¿Dónde está worksheet de ayer? You should have finished the front side yesterday.
Yeah. I did.
Good. And now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 18 more problems to do.
Yes, sir.
All right. So, if you did not see your answer at the bottom, you might have needed to simplify. which is what we just went over right now. All right, let's look at the back. I'll do 1 or 2 problems with you from the back. Everybody turn to the back. Even if you're not done with the front, let's turn to the back. Let's all be together for this. Now, this one, they don't tell you the common denominator. Again, you can use your multiplication table. 2 and 3. What do they have in common? 6. God, you guys are so smart. It's not like I said it out loud. 6. 2 and 3 have 6 in common. So then 2 times what is 6? Times 3 times 3. 1 times 3 is 3. 3 times what is 6? Times 2 times 2. 1 times 2 is 2. So this would give me 5 over 6. Now, what does the direction say? Do each exercise and find your answer at the bottom of the page. Write the letter of the exercise in the box above your answer. So find 5, 6. Did you find 5, 6? Okay, what letter am I going to use? Very good. This box is letter S. So in 5, 6, which is down there, 5, 6, you're going to use what letter? S. Do I 100% care about the puzzle? No. But you can check if your answers are right by seeing if they're at the bottom. If your answer is not at the bottom, simplify it. All right. What does 5 and 2 have in common? 10. Very good. So we're going to set this equal to 10. Set this equal to 10. 5 times what is 10? Times 2. Times 2, so that's 4. 2 times what is 10? Times 5. Times 5, so that gives me 5. I'm adding 4 plus 5. What's 4 plus 5? 9 over 10. Are we okay? Yep. Is 9 over 10 at the bottom? Yes, it is. What letter am I going to use? The letter O. All right. Questions?
No.